Well, it was a crime that shocked everyone when it was uncovered in 2017. Someone looked in a Camel freezer for something to eat, and instead they found a woman's body all cut up. Today, the third person to be indicted in the case stood in front of a judge and admitted to her own role in it. Our First News camera was the only team in the courtroom this morning, and here's First News senior reporter Jerry Ricciuti with the story.
Smiling as she was led into court this morning, Michelle Eilenfeld pled guilty to charges in connection with the beating, death, and dismemberment of Shannon Graves almost 3 years ago.
Your Honor, the defendant was not involved in the murder of Shannon Graves.
Eilenfeld was one of 4 people charged in the case, where the victim's body had been cut up and burned and then stuffed into a freezer after her death. In court this morning, Eilenfeld admitted to obstruction of justice for lying to a grand jury and intimidation of a witness.
And in sending a state's witness a threatening message because he was cooperating with the state.
2 others have already been convicted for their roles in the crime. Arturo Novoa is serving a life sentence for murder, while his longtime girlfriend, Katrina Layton, pled guilty last Friday to 8 counts, including tampering with evidence and abuse of a corpse. This leaves only Eilenfeld's estranged husband, Andrew Herman, to resolve his own case. He's expected in court in about 6 weeks.
I do want everything out there. I want everyone to know what these people did to my little sister.
The victim's sister tells me after all this time, she's glad to finally see the case coming together.
I feel like I just need to put this, I could say behind us, but it's never really going to be back there.
As part of this morning's hearing, Eilenfeld also pled guilty to separate, unrelated drug trafficking charges. She'll be sentenced on all counts late next month. In Youngstown, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.